15 million. Okay, so 15 times 10 to the 6. Okay. Okay, so if the reliability is 85%, oh, gosh, screw it. Oh, standard deviation of 0.3. Oh boy. There. So if it's 85, then it's negative. So 0.40 for the structural layer coefficient. E2 is 30,000. E3 is 10,000. M2 is the drainage. So good drainage. Good. So if it's being built in Phoenix, my hometown, we don't get any rain. So I would say less than 1%, so maybe closer to like 1.3 or 1.35. And then substitute different values in for the different SN to find something viable that's going to make that 1.5 times 10 to the 7th. That's the idea, I think. So, how much time do I have? Okay, I got plenty of time, I think. So, what is the SO again? That should be 2.5 because it's a flexible pavement. And in the video, you were saying 2.5 to 2 for the PT value. And the MR is that value. So, I just needed to figure out what the SO is again. Let me see. The standard deviation. Oh, so it's going to stay 0.49. Okay. So I think I can just put in the value. So if it's, oops, 6.14. This is 8, 10. 5.99. 1.1. That's B. And then 7, 10, and 15. 6.06. So isn't the minimum thickness for asphalt 3 inches? Oh, is this what you meant? Is that what you want by standard deviation of 0.3? Do you want me to put 0.3 in here? That's going to make the value really high. Well, 15 million E-cells. 1.5 times 10 to the 7th. Coefficient is 0.4. The base is 30,000. The subbase is 10,000. I said the drainage is good, so in Phoenix 1.35. Determine which alternatives are viable pavement design. Well, I don't see what else what else to do. They all seem not sure. The minimum thickness of the asphalt concrete layer. How much time do I have? Oh, here we go. Minimum. So for the E cell greater than 15 million, the should be 6 inches. They're all greater than 6 inches. Or for asphalt concrete. So, I mean, they're all greater than 4 inches, so I don't see I mean, it seems like all of them work based off what I've set up here, unless I set it up wrong. Well, oops. I can find the minimum. What is happening? I could find the minimum structural number because it says to find the minimum structural number. So the minimum would be so the minimum structural number is 5.5. The minimum thickness, I think, is 4 inches from what I saw earlier. Oh boy. I don't know. You can kind of see what I did though. I found the minimum SN for all of this, but I put all of them in and all of these worked. So I don't know. Maybe that one? Because I think one of